Shot by Shaggy. The shingling ding 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 ding, y'all, you know what I mean? Like cooling out here, you know, in the studio, you know, wah. What's up, guys? Shot by Shaggy. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm super excited. I've been posting the Tulum vlogs. It's gonna be Tulum for the next 3 weeks. Everything's gonna be about Tulum. I have sit-down videos. I have a lot of cool stuff, but I am excited to share this great tool with you guys. I think this is the most appropriate time to share this tool with you guys. Beginner travelers like myself, I'm a beginner traveler traveling to a new country that speaks a different language. This tool I'm about to share with you guys is important and essential to your traveling. It came in extremely handy. I was actually given to it by my friend in a time of need. So this tool, you're gonna need it for sure. Keep watching this video. This is not for expert travelers. They'll look at this video and be like, this is garbage. If you're trying to go to a new country or you're planning a trip to a new country where they speak a different language, this tool is important. You have to download this tool today. The biggest tool you need. Sorry to just pause the video real quick, guys. I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to help me out, guys. It really means a lot if you could just subscribe to the channel. If you like the content that you're seeing and all the work that I do, hit this subscribe button. 5 seconds. I'm gonna slow this video down for 5 seconds. If you smash that button, thank you. Appreciate you, man. I appreciate you. Back to the video. This is Google Translate. I know, it sounds super simple. Google Translate is important, guys. You guys have no idea. This app is important. This is how it looks. That's how the icon looks. That is right here. That tool is important, guys. You guys have no clue. Oh man, I was taking the bus commuting through Mexico. I can't read signs. Nobody speaks English. It was hell until I downloaded Google Translator. This app is very important. Like, it will make your life easier. It will make your traveling easier and more enjoyable. You could use the camera setting, which is pretty much you hover over whatever you want to do. Like, you hover over the words and stuff and it will automatically change them. I think you can even take a picture and then sort of like tell the translator where you want it to be. Is it 100%? No. But it'll give you a great idea of what you're reading, especially if you're reading a menu. It will work. It will work. It'll help you out a lot more than you think. Second option, you could even do the conversation option. That is an awesome option to use. You pretty much let the person you're speaking to speak into the mic, and then it will automatically translate for you. And of course, you could write it in to be like da 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 if taking pictures is not your thing, or if hovering over is not your thing. The hover over the camera one is awesome because if you're somewhere very foreign like Hong Kong, you will need that. You know what I mean? You could hover over because your letters, you have letters in your phone. So those are very important. Like, you need Google Translate. Looking through menus is very hard. You don't know how to speak the language? It's extremely hard. Trust me. You guys are gonna see through the vlog, like the last part of day 1, vlog 19, you see me struggling at the end to understand what the guy was saying. That was because I forgot that I had Google Translate. Shot by Shaggy. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the Tulum vlogs because I'm gonna put a lot of work into them. I'm expecting to be traveling again soon. I love traveling and I'm trying to make this a thing. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited. Thank you guys to everybody that supports the channel. I'm super excited to just grow this channel and do a lot of great things. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys a lot. Shot by Shaggy. I love saying that a lot. Shot by Shaggy. Shot by Shaggy. Shot by Shaggy. Who says?